Now I'll show you how you can use it. But before that, let me clarify to you that bulk mailer is not just a simple bulk mailer. It is really something beyond that. Besides sending emails in bulk for free, it has remarkable features like it uses multiple senders to send emails. It rotates senders, subjects, reply ID, sender name, email body after sending every mail. It makes it sure that every email should land in customer's inbox so that 100% inbox delivery rate is achieved. It contains the email verifier, which can remove the non-existent emails from your list. It allows you to create personalized emails. It allows you to create the emails in text as well as HTML format. It contains spin syntax, or you can say spin text features. It contains the bounce checker, which can check the email bounces for you. It is the only bulk mailer in the world that has an automatic social media poster which allows you to post on Facebook and Twitter. It is a one-time purchase only. You do not have to pay monthly or yearly. I can go on and on in listing the features of this amazing marketing tool. Now, let me show how you can use this software. And in this video, I will cover only the basic things that covers all the options in detail. This video is for the beginners only. Okay, so this is the software. This is the user guide. At any point of time you feel that you require some guidance in the software, you can click here on the user guide. And even after that you require some guidance, you can just contact us via email. We are available on the Skype by the name of AP Objects. You can also make certain settings in your software. You can click here on the settings option. Now, to begin with, you can just add various SMTP servers in the software. Here, you can click on this option. SMTP servers mean the different senders you can add in the software to send the emails. You can add the senders from Gmail, you can add the senders from Yahoo, from your own website, from the dedicated SMTP server you have. Right now I'm going to add a Gmail account. I'll click here on the add sender. You can also click here on this option. Click on this option. You can see that which senders you can add. You can add the mails from Yahoo, from Gmail, from MSN. Scroll down this. You can add from your own website. You can add from your own dedicated SMTP server. Right now I'm going to add the Gmail. I'll click here on Gmail. Let me add the account. Advanced business objects @gmail.com. Now I'll add the password. Okay, now I'll click on save. Okay, you can see that software has easily added my account. You can see right now here I can send 500 emails in one day because I have added one SMTP server from Gmail, and the per day limit for this account is 500 emails, and this limit is set by the Gmail. You may be aware about this thing that as per Gmail and Yahoo, per day you can send 500 emails. This is the limit set by the company, not by us. And if you want to send more emails, that means you have to add multiple senders. If 1000 emails, you have to add one more sender. Like I'll add one more Gmail sender. You can add any sender you have. I'll click here on add sender again. abobjects at the rate of gmail.com, and now I'll enter the password. You can click on save. You can see that the software has added this email ID as well. And you can see now I'm able to send 1000 emails. That means to send the thousands of emails in a day, you have to add multiple senders. It's very easy to use. It's a very simple software, but believe me, it can just change your life in a day. It can just change the face of your business if you can use this for the marketing, especially for the email marketing. Now I'll just close this window. After adding the SMTP servers, I'll show you how you can compose the different email bodies. You can click here on the message option. Okay, you can see there are different options you can use, like preview options, rotating bodies, rotating subjects. This is the main mail body. This is the mail subject. Here are the options like new message, delete, duplicate, make unique, and spam check. How you can start it, like I have already created 3 message groups. I'll create one more message group. For that, I have to click on new message. You can see here it appears by the name of a newsletter. I'll change its name. To change the name, I have to select this. I selected already, that's already selected. Click on the options. Now here in the friendly name box, you can rename it. You can keep any name relevant. Like I'll keep it demo messages. Okay. Now I can click on save. I'll return back. You can see that it's renamed now. I'll just start composing some message. You can compose the message, any text message you want, like dear sir, how was your experience with our software? All right. Alright, this is a text message. You can compose the message in HTML. You can see this is the option you can use. You can edit HTML. You can just convert the text to, you can convert the HTML to plain text rather. You can do all this stuff with this. And here it is the main subject. You can just create some subject, any subject you want. Customers feedback. Right now I'm entering. This is the main subject and this is the main body. This is very simple, you can do it, but there are so many other options in the software which you can use to make your emails very attractive. Okay, you can attract lots of customers by personalizing your emails, by designing your emails in a very better way. I'll show you how you can do it. For example, you can use some templates. You can click here on the option templates. Now you can click on find templates. These are the few templates available in the demo version. You will get lots more in the corporate version of the software. You can click here. You can choose any template. Like for example, I'm using this template. I'll click OK. Now you can just edit this template the way you want. Like I want to delete this line. Here, like I'm going to add hello or whatever you want. You can add. You can design it the way you want. You can also enter the images in the mail body. I'll show you how you can do it. For example, I'll remove this. Okay. For example, I want to enter an image here. I can insert any image. Okay, my cursor is blinking right now here. I can click on insert option. I can just click on image option. Now I have to click on browse to search for any image in my computer system. Like this is the image I want to use in my emails. Now I can click on OK. I can adjust the image. I can resize it. Here are the resize buttons are available. You can resize the image in the way you want. This is the image. You can move it. Okay, this is it. There are so many other things which you can use in your emails, like to make your emails very unique. You can click here on the insert option. You can insert the sending time. This is the option, insert time to make sending mails unique. You can insert this time in the email body, in the subjects, as many times as you can. Like I'll show you how you can do it. Like my cursor is here. I'll also align this image left. My cursor is here. I'll click on insert option. I'll insert the sending time. I can insert the sending time as many times as I can. I can also insert the sending time in the main subject, in the subjects. I'll click here on the sending time option. Okay. You can also insert the unsubscribe link in your email body. You can click here on the unsubscribe link and you can insert it. This is a very good feature. I normally use it. You can insert the HTML table and contact name, even the contact email ID as well. Okay, now you can click on save. Okay, it's now saved. You can also run a spam check on your email body. You can click here on the spam check. The software is saying that my email body has passed the spam test successfully and has higher chances to go in the inbox of the user. If anytime your email body is spammy, the software will surely indicate like your email body is spammy. And I can like add any random text over here, anything. Like I'll start writing some words which may be spam. Now I can run the spam check. Okay, now you can see the software is saying that, oh yeah, your body is spammy, you have to remove the words which are spammy. And even software is saying that you have to remove the word marketing from your mail body, because that is something which shows that my mail body is spammy. So I can just remove the marketing. Even it highlights the words, you have to just remove it. Now you can run the spam check again, and it's again saying that my mail body is spammy. Now you have to remove the word unsubscribe. Now you can run the spam check again. This time my mail body is not spammy. That means this software is a wonderful tool. Normally our mails, when we compose, they contain so many spam text, so many spam words. So this software can help you how you can remove all the spam text, etc., from your email body. Okay, now I'll show you the concept of the rotating bodies and the rotating subjects. Like this is the main message body and this is the main subject. Besides this, you can compose the different rotating bodies. Like here, you can compose only 11 email bodies because this is a demo version of the software. In the licensed version, in the corporate version, you can have as many bodies as you can. And you can see that my main message body is there in every body here, but you can edit it the way you want. Like you can change something, like in the body 1, for example, I would like to remove this. Now I can click on save. This change body in body 1. In body 3, for example, I don't want to keep hello, or I can edit it in a different way. I can click on save now. This change will only appear in the body 2, in body 3 rather. Now in the body 5, for example, I don't want to keep this line. I can remove this line, and now I can click on save. This change will only appear in body 5, but the main message body, that will not be affected at any rotating bodies. I just changed a little bit so that they will be different from the main message body. And in the rotating subjects, like you can have different subjects. Here you can have only 30 subjects because this is a demo version, but in the licensed version you can have so many subjects, and you can have different subjects, you can have different rotating bodies. And the mechanism of the software is like that it will start rotating the senders, the subjects, and the email bodies. In that way, every email body will have a unique subject and a unique sender, and that is the reason the mails sent by this software directly goes to the customer's inbox. This is how it works. And I'll show you one more thing. You can click here on the options. You can just attach files. You can attach various files to your email body. You can use the spin text features. If you don't know what is spin text, you can click here. What is spin text link? And let me tell you here, the software will guide you at every point of time whenever you will face the issues. Okay, you can also schedule your emails. You can just check this button and you can like schedule it for tomorrow. Maybe you don't want to send the mails today, you can schedule them for tomorrow. Okay, now after bringing all the changes, you can click here on the save. This is how it works. Okay, you can preview your messages as well. Now let me close this right now. Now after composing the messages, I'll show you other options how you can use them. These are the contacts. Okay, this is the contact option. These are the contacts. I can only add here 5 contacts because this is a demo version. In the licensed version, the corporate version, you can add as many contacts as you can. These are the different contacts which are added in the software. These are the recipients. You have to send emails to these recipients. Okay, you can close this. Now we can also verify whether these recipients exist or not, whether they are correct or not. You can just separate the incorrect mails from your email list. You can click here on the email verifier. Like these are the emails I have. If I want, I can verify all of them. Okay, these are the emails. Like for example, I only want to verify this email. I can select it and click on this option. If I want to verify this email, I can select it and click on this option. If I want to verify all of them, I can just click here on this option. Okay, now when you are in hurry, you don't want to verify every mail one by one. You want to verify like the domains only. You can click here on the verified only domain. You can click here on it. Okay, now you can start verifying. If you don't want to verify only domain, you want to verify everything, you can click on verify. Now the software is verifying the emails and showing that this email does not exist. You can click here on get correct incorrect mails. It's it's saying that you should click this option once email verification process is complete. That means you can separate the correct and the incorrect mails. You can see that the operation is completed now. This is a trial version. It can only verify 5 emails at a time. So now I can close it, close this window. Now you can use the easy send option. You can click here on the easy send option. You can just, for example, these are my recipient emails. I want to send emails to all these contacts. I can just bring them here by clicking on this option. And like I want to send the messages. These are the 4 message groups I have created. You can send all of them. Right now I want to send only demo messages. I have 3 modes which I can use to send the messages, like personalized mail, superfast, or BCC mode. Right now I'm going to use the personalized mail option. And I can also, let me drag the window horizontally. I can also set a delay between the mails, like 15 seconds, 20 seconds, like that. Like I would like to set the delay of 15 seconds between the mails. And you can also click here on the Gmail checker option. Gmail checker is an option which can just check whether your emails are working or not. Like while sending the emails, we recommend to run Gmail checker, as it automatically logs to Gmail accounts, and Gmail does not prompt for anti-bot information and helps in better inbox rate. Gmail checker will automatically check the accounts and will prevent them from getting blocked. That's a great thing. And right now it's showing that try to log into the Gmail accounts, because I have added 2 senders and I haven't logged them in. They want me to log them in. Okay, so you have to log them in, and later on you can check whether they are blocked or not. This is something that helps you preventing your accounts from getting blocked, because every time it can say whether your emails are working or not. It can prompt here on this window. And we have one more option, that's health of senders. Health of senders means, are your senders working? Are they okay? Are they blocked? Right now you can see both of my senders, they are active, they are working. And last time I have used it, both of the senders at this point. Okay, now let me close this window. Now I can click here on the send option. Now software will start sending the emails. Let the software send the emails, and in the meanwhile I can use one more window, one more instance of the software. This is one more window, and I'll show you other options. We have the bounce checker option here. Using the bounce checker you can check the bounced emails. Like you have the 2 senders. I'll click here on advanced business objects. I would like to check the bounces from this email. Bounces can occur because of so many reasons. Email verifier will help you to remove the non-existent emails from the list, but you still may have the bounced emails. Maybe the customer's inbox is full and the mail is not delivered to the customer. At least this option will show you. You can click here on the get bounces. This option can show you that whether your emails are bounced or not, which emails are bounced. So I really like this option. You can use it. So it's fetching. Okay, let me close this window right now. Right now you can see that my software is just sending the emails, let them send, and I showed you the bounce checker, how you can check the bounced emails. I'll use one more window of the software. Let me use one more instance of the software to show you one more fantastic option, that is the social marketing. And this is the only bulk mailer in the world that has a social marketing option. You can click here on this option and you can see you can post the messages on the Twitter as well as on the Facebook. For example, if you want to use the Facebook, you have to just click here on this option. You have to enter your user ID and your password. You have to click on save. Then you can enter here few posters. Okay. When you will enter the posters, they will automatically get saved here. You can close this window. You can again click on social marketing and uncheck Twitter, check Facebook, and click on post messages. It will start posting the messages, posting the posters on the Facebook. This is how it works. And now if you want to use the Twitter, you can use both together. But if you want to use the Twitter, you can click here on the edit option, enter your login credentials of the Twitter, like your ID and password, then click on save. Here you can enter the different hashtags, and here you can enter the different Twitter messages. When you will start entering, the software will automatically save them. You can now close this window. And to post the messages on the Twitter, you have to again click on social marketing, check this Twitter option, uncheck the Facebook, and click on post message. Okay, it's saying that you have not specified user ID password because I have not specified. That's why it showed it so. Anyways, we have the setting option over here. You can click on the setting option. We have the option of changing the reply ID. You can click on change reply ID. You can enter, you can also change the sender name over here. You can change your reply ID as well. You can rotate your reply IDs. You'll get lots more features in the corporate version of the software. You can just buy that software and feel the difference. You can try the demo version as well. My emails, software has sent all the emails and the operation is successfully completed. Okay, this was all in this video. Hope this video will help you a little bit in understanding how the software works. And it's a very simple software, its look is very simple, its mechanism is very simple, but it can do wonders for you in your business. Hope you have liked this video. Thank you so much for watching the video.